All right, so we're not really sure what that is. So we do have a weather radio in the garage. So we're going to
detect it near your location.
Holy crap. Okay, so that's far away. So we are like going to keep an eye on that and see what that does. Oh my gosh. That was like... Alright, I'm going to get my bicycle picked up. Yeah, we may get some hail over there. Probably about a couple of minutes now. I hope, so those are just scud clouds, so we would like y'all to be aware of that. So the main concern right now is just flooding, so yeah, we live on top of a hill. God, I don't really like the way it looks right there. Oh God, holy crap. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See what's going on. Oh God. Holy crap. That literally has some wind in that. Yeah, we got a severe thunderstorm coming in my area. It may have some hail in it, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep an eye on that and see what it does. So yeah, it's got lightning in it and hail. We might get some hail in like a couple of minutes. So yeah, I was knowing just to know. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on that and see what it does. And yeah, I was also chasing a storm too. Yeah, we got reports right now. I think maybe like dime-size hail. Yeah, it's like not looking great right there. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that to make sure we don't get any rain or some hail. So yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on that and see what that does. So yeah, guys, we gotta hurry. So yeah, it's a thunderstorm off to my northwest. Yeah, I'm letting that thing come over me. It is like really dark off to my northwest. So.
Austin,
Huh?
get your bike and come in here.